In the heart of every well-appointed refrigerator lies a silent hero. A vessel that protects and preserves the fresh bounty of the earth. The GRITLY Humidity-Controlled Crisper Bin 2,188,656. This is not merely a plastic drawer. It is a sanctuary. A small Eden designed to keep your produce vibrant and alive, as if it were still on the vine. It is a whisper of innovation, ensuring that your delicate lettuces remain crisp and your juicy berries don't succumb to an untimely demise. Therefore, this essential component stands as a guardian against the ravages of time, preserving the flavor and nutritional integrity of your fruits and vegetables. Nevertheless, this crisper bin replacement is more than just a part. It's a promise of freshness, a testament to the fact that even the smallest details can have the greatest impact. Ultimately, it is the unsung workhorse of the modern kitchen, and so it diligently performs its duty, day in and day out. Furthermore, the GRITLY Humidity-Controlled Crisper Bin 2,188,656 is a master of climate control, a miniature weather system dedicated to the well-being of your groceries. It allows you to meticulously adjust the environment, creating a perfectly balanced atmosphere for everything from leafy greens to root vegetables. Consequently, this precision engineering prevents dehydration and wilting, extending the life of your fresh food far beyond what a regular drawer could ever hope to achieve. This ingenious design acts as a shield, a barrier that locks in moisture and keeps decay at bay, ensuring that every bite is as delicious as the first in addition. The crisper's clarity allows you to see the vibrant colors of your produce, a visual feast that inspires healthy eating. Meanwhile, this bin serves as a subtle reminder of the simple beauty found in fresh, whole foods. Finally, installing the GRITLY Humidity-Controlled Crisper Bin 2,188,656 is a seamless process, a simple act that breathes new life into an aging appliance. It is a moment of renewal, a restoration of a refrigerator's core function. This is not just about replacing a broken part. It is about reclaiming the potential of your kitchen, and thereby enhancing your culinary experience. Indeed, this durable and reliable component is built to last, a steadfast companion in your gastronomic journey. So, whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook, this crisper bin is an indispensable tool, a cornerstone of a well-stocked kitchen. Thus, with every use, it proves its worth, a quiet but powerful force in the pursuit of freshness and flavor. Pros: perfect fit, sturdy, makes fridge look like new, good quality, real bargain, matched. Existing parts, works perfectly, packaged securely, holds food, goes open, goes closed. Cons: wrong size, confusing to measure, doesn't list model numbers. It fits. Features: type, crisper bin drawer. Function, replacement part. Feature, with humidity control. Part number 2,188,656. Location, upper bin. Material, plastic. Color, clear or white. Compatibility, specific refrigerator models. The GRITLY WP 2,188,656 is a replacement crisper bin drawer designed for specific refrigerator models. This upper bin, part number 2,188,656, is made of clear or white plastic and features humidity control, allowing users to adjust the environment for storing produce. It serves as a direct replacement part, restoring the refrigerator's functionality and organization. The GRITLY WP 2,188,656 crisper bin drawer is a high-quality replacement with humidity control that fits perfectly, making a refrigerator look new. Customers found it sturdy, a great bargain, and noted that it matched existing parts, worked perfectly, and was securely packaged. It was praised for holding food and its smooth operation. But some users reported that it was the wrong size, found it confusing to measure, and disliked that it didn't list the model numbers it fits.